this lecture, let us discuss about different types of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence can be categorized into different types based on their capabilities and functionalities. So in the picture, you can see AI is divided into two broad categories. That is, one is based on capability and the other one is based on functionality. And we have different categories in capability, that is narrow AI, general AI, and strong AI. And based on functionality, we have various examples like reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self awareness. Let us see the first category. First one is narrow AI, which is also called as weak AI. Narrow AI, it mainly refers to AI systems that are designed and trained for specific tasks or narrow domains. So these systems, they mainly excel at performing a single task or set of closely related tasks, but they do not possess general intelligence or ability to learn beyond their specific scope. Say, have you seen a computer playing chess? So that is an example of narrow AI. It's superb in playing chess, but won't be as good at, say, translating or in speech recognition, because that is designed only for one specific task, that is playing chess. Another good example of narrow AI is virtual assistants such as Siri or Alexa. So Siri or Alexa is good in speech recognition but operates with a limited predefined range of functions. And here they can understand and respond to voice commands, perform tasks such as setting reminders, providing weather updates, and controlling smart home devices. Then we have image recognition and speech recognition applications. So, if you take applications like facial recognition technology used in smartphones and security systems, they rely on narrow AI in order to identify faces from images or video feeds. Next example is recommendation systems. So, if you take online platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube, they use narrow AI algorithms in order to recommend movies, TV shows, products, and videos based on user preferences and viewing history. Then, natural language processing. So, if you take chatbots and language translation services, they also utilize narrow AI to understand and generate human language, facilitating customer service interactions and communication across languages. So, narrow AI, it is mainly focused on performing a single task extremely well, but it cannot perform beyond its field or limitations. Coming to the second one, that is general AI. Artificial general intelligence refers to AI systems that possess human like intelligence and cognitive abilities. So these systems, they can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks and domains similar to human intelligence. So they can understand and learn any intellectual task that a human being can. So it mainly refers to AI that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across wide range of tasks. And also they can work at level equivalent to human intelligence. So actually currently there is no such system exist which can come under this general AI, and it can perform any task as perfect as a human. And the third one is artificial superintelligence or super AI, which refers to a hypothetical AI system that surpasses human intelligence and cognitive abilities in every aspect. This super AI possesses intellectual capabilities far superior to the best human minds across all domains. So, if you want an example for this, actually, there is no ASI. So, this artificial superintelligence does not exist yet, and it remains a topic of speculation and theoretical exploration only. We have just seen the super AI systems or characteristics only in movies like iRobot, Terminator, The Matrix, Blade Runner, etc. So if you take this, so this is a picture or a scene from movie iRobot showing virtual interactive kinetic intelligence. In movie iRobot, we get a glimpse of a future world where super AI plays a pivotal role. The central AI system in the film is named Wiki, which goes beyond typical AI capabilities. Wiki's intelligence evolves into a form of super AI where it surpasses its initial programming and starts making decisions to protect humanity in a controversial way. So let us see a quick comparison of narrow AI, strong AI, and super AI. So what is this narrow AI or weak AI? So this is just similar to a specialist, so who is good at one specific task. Say if you take cardiologist, he is good at heart surgeries, right? So in the same way, narrow AI also, it is good only at one specific task. Best examples are Siri or Alexa. And if you take an analogy, imagine a superhero with a superpower dedicated to one particular task. For example, a hero who excels only in solving puzzles. Second one is strong AI, also called as general AI, which is similar to a superhero, human superhero. So currently it is more theoretical and there are no real world examples for this. So you just imagine a superhero who is having some superpowers, and with those powers, he's able to adapt, and he's managing everything in different situations or in difficult conditions also. And the last one is super AI. So what it is? So this is again similar to an ultimate superhero who is more powerful than superhero, which we considered in strong or general AI. Again, for this also, there are no real world examples. So it is only theoretical. So, analogy. So, just imagine a superhero with combined abilities of all superheroes. So, earlier we took example of one superhero. So, this the superhero which we considered here in super AI, he is having abilities of more than one superhero, right? So he is more strong, right? So making them unmatched. And so here with these capabilities, he can handle any situation easily.